Many companies all over the world use ASP.NET Core to build RESTful web services. Are you looking for a comprehensive ASP.NET Core Web API Bootcamp taught by an experienced ASP.NET Core developer? Then this course is for you. Mastering the skill of building RESTful web services using ASP.NET Core can significantly increase your value on the job market. Learning how to build high-quality web APIs is not only about learning ASP.NET Core Web API, but also about learning concepts like HTTP and REST. So in this course, we start with the absolute basics. After that, you will learn about SQL, relational databases, and how to work with them in C# using Entity Framework Core, the most popular data access framework in C#. Then we will look into ASP.NET Core itself. You will explore the structure and the features of ASP.NET Core Web API. You will learn how to host your API in Microsoft Azure and how to secure it using OAuth 2. The best way to really internalize new programming concepts is coding. That's why this bootcamp contains a lot of live coding sessions in which you are challenged to apply everything on your own machine. This is a comprehensive 100+ lectures course containing info sheets and source code available for download. But what exactly are you going to learn in this course in detail? 1. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is the foundation of the web and for our web APIs. In this section you will learn the basics about this protocol. You will learn about request methods and status codes. 2. REST, Representational State Transfer. When it comes to web APIs, you often hear people talk about REST. In this section you will learn what REST is and which guidelines your API should follow to be called a RESTful API. 3. C# Advanced Constructs. In this section we are looking at advanced language constructs in C# that you need to follow the live coding sessions later in the course. 4. SQL. When building web APIs, you often work with relational databases. In this section you will learn the basics of SQL, which enables you to work with them. 5. LINQ. LINQ stands for Language Integrated Query. You can write queries directly in C#, which can be translated to SQL, for example. LINQ is very important for the following sections, so you will learn everything you need to know about it in this section. 6. Entity Framework Core. In this section we will look into the most popular data access framework. EF Core is used in most ASP.NET Core Web API projects when it comes to working with databases. 7. ASP.NET Core Web API. In this section you will learn about the structure of ASP.NET Core Web API projects. You will learn about its features and you will see them in action during live coding sessions. 8. Course Project. The most effective way of internalizing the concepts that you have learned is applying them through coding. In this section we will build a complete web API for team management. 9. Minimal Web APIs. Minimal Web APIs is a relatively young feature of ASP.NET Core Web API. In this section you will learn how to build small projects based on minimal web APIs. 10. Azure Hosting. Microsoft Azure is one of the most popular platforms when it comes to hosting ASP.NET Core applications. In this section we will host our course project in Microsoft Azure so we can access it from the internet. 11. OAuth 2. OAuth 2 is the most popular standard when it comes to authorization. In this section you will learn how to secure your web API using OAuth 2 and Azure AD. 12. File upload and download. When you build web APIs, you often want to offer file upload and download features. In this section you will learn the easiest way to implement file upload and download, and you will also learn to integrate Azure Blob Storage into your application. 13. Logging. Logging is essential for all types of application when it comes to error or performance analysis, and web APIs are no exception. In this section we will add logging to our course project using the most popular .NET logging framework, Serilog. After finishing this course, you will have all the knowledge a good ASP.NET Core Web API developer needs. You also have access to me. I will happily answer your questions as soon as possible. I want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Lasse Klüver and I've been working professionally with ASP.NET Core or its predecessor ASP.NET, for different organizations, including international enterprises and a German governmental institution. I would be very happy to teach you ASP.NET Core Web API. Udemy also offers you a 30 days money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to enroll into this course now.